see the garden as well.
Really? Wait, what?
We done the garden so he can poop and pee outside because he's not allowed to go outside.
My goodie likes my hair.
Yeah.
You are so cute. Your eyes. Your eyes. Everything is so cute. Your eyes can tell he likes me.
Yeah, he loves you.
So cute.
I told you he was gonna cry. We wasn't actually going out.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I took off my shoe. I didn't take off my shoes because I thought we was going out.
Are you happy now we're staying in?
This is the best day of my life. Why do I know the door?
I know.
Hello.
Since you could talk, you've been asking for a
That's what I
dog.
was telling you this morning. Remember, we're doing an inspection on Monday for your room. Trying to make you not think about we're getting a dog or anything.
You make my hair. You're so cute. Okay, we're just gonna take that for now. Okay? Can you bring me his blanket?